In this question, we are given that k is an integer and we have to find the least possible value of k such that the given expression will be an integer. So the given expression is 0.0025 multiplied by 0.025, that is multiplied by 0.00025 into 10 to the power k. We have to find the least value of k to change this whole expression into an integer. We now move on to step 2 and understand how to find the least possible value. Now 0.0025 can be written as 25 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 4, since after the decimal point there are 4 decimal places. Similarly, 0.025 can be written as 25 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3, and 0.00025 can be written as 25 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 5. Now, when we combine this, we can write it as 0.0025 multiplied by 0.025, 0.00025. This should be equal to 25 times 10 to the power minus 4 multiplied by 25 times 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 25 times 10 to the power minus 5. Now in step 3, we have that 25 times 10 to the power minus 4 multiplied by 25 times 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 25 times 10 to the power minus 5 into 10 to the power k should be equal to 25 times 25 times 25, and the power of 10 will be equal to minus 12, and here we have 10 to the power k. Now this is equal to 25 times 25 times 25 into 10 to the power k minus 12. Now for the value of this expression to be minimum, the value of k minus 12 has to be, the value of this expression to be an integer, the value of k minus 12 has to be minimum, that is, it should be equal to 0. So the value of k will be equal to 12, which is the option E.